20.5. This is the first one here. So it says for the Xeon CU2 Plus voltaic cell shown in figure 20.5, which is down here, you can see that CU, there we go, is the cathode here. So that means that what we have here is then the reduction. Now that makes a difference because for E cell, which is something that we have E cell as a plus 1.10. We got the E cell, that's not cell, this is cell, and this is, it says reduction, but this is for the cathode, minus E reduction for the anode, like this. So that means that here I have cell potential for this is at the anode is that. So what I have then when I plug everything in is looks like this. So that looks like I'm going to add 0.76 to both sides of the equation, or negative 0.76 to both sides of the equation, so that the E reduction for the cathode equals, when I subtract these two, 1.10 minus 0.76 equals 0.34, and that should be a positive. And that's how we get that to work. So that's what this is, the Cu, the plus 2 electrons goes to Cu solid, like that. Okay, that's the first part. Let's take a look at the second one, see if you can do the same thing. So I would ask that you try and do this on your own. E cell equals E reduction cathode minus E reduction anode, like this. And it's asking us to find what these are, first of all, based on table 20.1. Well, I happen to have 20.1 right here for us. So let's go back and see which ones we're looking for. We're looking for bromine. Bromine going to Br liquid. So let's see what we got here. So that should be Br, there we go. So I got a positive 1.06. So I go back here. Now, if it's on the right-hand side, this is oxidation. Oxidation, which means anode. So anode comes here. So that means this one is reduction at the cathode. Cathode comes first. Now I forgot what it was. So that would be 1.06 plus, oh my God, this is so awful, 1.06 minus, and then what do we got here for indium? There we go. So where's indium at? I don't see indium on the top part. Let's look down further. Indium, is this some kind of joke? Okay, so that's probably why we're looking here. Oh, here it is. So this, we're looking for this one. This is 1.46. So to do this, I'm going to subtract this from both sides and then change the sign. In other words, I'm going to subtract this from both sides, so it's going to be a minus 1.06 minus 1.06, like that, which will give me a positive 0.40, but that'll be a negative E, which should equal then a negative 0.40, like that. I think that's it for 20.5. 19.5. Okay, excellent.